Hello everyone, this is Professor J. Kim. Today I'm going to show you the process of designing the animal symbol from the original photo to the vectorized version in Illustrator. So here is my source, the photo of rhino. So this is the animal I'm going to symbolize. What I did was I traced this image on this tracing paper using pencil, marker, and then the light table. So kind of a traditional way. After that, I scanned this image on a scanner and then I import it as a template file to Illustrator and vectorized it using pen tool. It's pretty sharp and clean now. And I repeated the same steps. Traced this image and I simplified a little more on tracing paper using the same materials like a pen, pencil, marker, and then a light table on this tracing paper. And scan this image and import it to Illustrator to use as their template and vectorize it again. So it's much sharper, cleaner, and it's simpler now. So I was pretty happy, and then after that, I wanted to use it for something else, like the actual logo for like a sports team, like this rhino. I don't know, man, rhino football, rhino soccer, rhino running team. I don't know what it is, but it came out pretty good. You can do this maybe, as you know, online. There are a lot of AI tools these days, but why don't we challenge it? We're human and we're a designer. So please follow my instructions and then please watch the end of this video so I can show you these steps. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe, hit the like button, and set the alarm for my latest video. Then let's get started. Okay, so this is what we have done so far. From the original photo, phase 1, and we traced and then vectorized it. Phase number 2 in Illustrator, and traced this image and vectorized it. This is the phase number 3. And the last step is this. Let me compare these two. Okay. So from the my finished version of a rhino animal symbol, I just used this head part with some typography, the rhino. Okay, so let me show you what we're gonna do. So let me select this part, the face number there's 3, and copy this. I'm gonna make a copy and paste it in this gray area. Okay, so as you can see, this is white, and we don't need that. So what I'm gonna do is, let me zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna get rid of this white using the Pathfinder. So using your selection tool, just to select the white part, white. Hold down the Shift key, keep clicking to add a selection. Here, there, there. And go to Object menu, Compound Path, and make it. Okay, now same way, we're gonna create another compound path for this black outer one. Hold down the Shift key, there, there, here, and Object, Compound Path, make it. Do not deselect it yet. Hold down the Shift key, select the white spot. Go to Pathfinder, minus front. There we go. So there's no white. Next step is I'm gonna create that ring surrounding this rhino's head using my ellipse tool. No fill color, just the black stroke. Let me draw it. I'm gonna hold down the Shift key, just like that. And let me increase the stroke weight, 15 point. And then also, I'm gonna use that different color so I can separate it. I can tell ring and then the rhino's head. So we're here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send it to back. Okay. Let me move it up a little bit more. Just like that. Looks good. Okay. Then now, select your ring. Select your ring. Then go to Object menu, expand it. Now select everything. Now choose your shape builder tool. I'm gonna get rid of everything but all the rhinos part out of this ring. So hold down the option. You see the minus. It's gone. So we can just delete that. Okay. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Now I'm still using my shape builder tool. Everything's still selected. I'm gonna just combine it by dragging. It's like that. There. Okay. And I need to get rid of this. Hold down the option, click. There. And the inside of this ear. So it looks good. Now I need to combine this all black rhino area as a kind of one piece. So let me drag it. So it turns to this color. Let me set my fill color to black again. Black. Link it. Do this. Looks good. There. All right. So I think it is good. Okay. Now as you can see that from my final version, there's a separation between the ring and then the rhino's head. So that's what we're gonna do. That's the next step. Let me zoom in a little bit. Let me select everything. Now go to Object menu, Path, Offset Path. Make sure your ruler unit is a point unit, no inches. So offset 4 point, miter limit is 4, and OK. So it looks kind of a little weird. Okay. Now using your selection tool, select everything. So as you can see now, the original ring and the rhino is still there, and then a 4 point is extended on every side. So now choose your shape builder tool. We're gonna get rid of unnecessary part. Let me hold down the option. First thing is I'm gonna delete the outer part. See? And the inside. There. So it looks kind of a little complicated. So the first thing is I'm gonna get rid of. I'm gonna make the separation part first. So hold down the option, click there, drag it. See that? And here too, and inside the ear. Okay, so there's a separation. And we need this. We need to separate this part as well. Okay. And here too. Option. Go away. You go away. So we're kind of making it simpler now. It's a kind of a digging. All right. So we're getting in there. And option. Delete that. We don't need this. We don't need that. Okay. Oh, let me zoom in. You're going to see that kind of little things. See that? So let me get rid of it too. Okay. So that looks good. That looks good. I can just link it as a one shape. So I can save some time. So that looks good. That looks good. All right. So we're getting in there. All right. So I'm checking every corner. Okay. Now here. Let me zoom out a little bit. I will do the same thing. Option separation between the rhino's head and the ring. See? There. And you. And you. There we go. So we are getting in there. Oh, and I don't need that either. Okay. And there is a kind of a separation in between. Option, click. That looks good. All right. To check if it's looks good, we can just deselect it and see. I think we're getting in there. I see there's some little kind of little pieces. So let me select everything again. Let me zoom in here. See? So let me zoom in even more. Option, shape builder tool, delete it. I can link it together. You link together. All right, there. And here too. Okay. Option. Link together. I don't think I need this. Option. You go away. You go away. Zoom out. Link. Option. So we are getting in there. I think it is almost done. Let's see. Let me zoom out. Yep, it looks good. Let me select everything again. With the shape builder, I'm gonna link to that, link to this and that, and oh, let me zoom in. Link all together, link these two pieces. So I'm trying to make it simpler. Simpler is better. All right. Oh, there's one more. Shape builder, black. Okay, so I think I'm pretty happy with this. And then let me just have a text. Rhino. The typographic choice is your choice. It's up to you. I like this one. It works well. Rhino. Okay. Let me use my share tool. Hold down the shift key. And no. Share. Okay. Shift. There we go. Maybe not too much. Rhino. There we go. Yes, that's it. If you want, you can try the different color, anything you like. Okay, so that's it. Um, that's what we did. See? Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. You can use it for your another animal symbol designing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.